Hello friends, I hope you all are well and doing great. Today let me take you inside of the book which is How to Organize Your Life to Maximize Your Day. This one is by Judith Turnbridge. Is a practical and insightful guide aimed at helping readers enhance their productivity and manage their time more efficiently. With a blend of theoretical insights and hands-on strategies, Turnbridge offers a comprehensive approach to organizing one's life to maximize daily output and achieve personal and professional goals. How to organize your life to maximize your day is an easy to read guide which will tell you exactly how using some amazingly effective time management tips. It will cover both home and work life with a detailed breakdown of time saving ideas for where and how items in your home and workspace should go. You will be able to stay one step ahead by maintaining maximum efficiency. It will help you organize and simplify your day from a relaxing wake up even when you have to go to work to a peaceful mind and body bedtime. Unlike other organizational books, How to Organize Your Life to Maximize Your Day has been written specifically for those who are not naturally organized. Could that be you? Some of the tips covered include how to follow a bedtime routine, getting your clothes ready for the next day, the basics for an organized closet, getting enough sleep by calculating your bedtime range, finding the best way to get off to sleep, how to organize your morning routine, the morning chill out and your chill space, having breakfast the organized way, how to pre-plan your breakfasts, how to organize your working life, preparing for your journey to the office, how to use your commute to keep ahead of the game, how to organize your workspace, how to organize your home for work, tips for working in an organized manner, creating a daily schedule, creating a to-do list, organizing your email, coping with distractions, setting your reminders, avoiding the afternoon slump, how to organize your home life, how to prepare your dinner the organized way. The importance of having an organized meal time. The organized grocery shop. Secrets for an organized lunchtime. Room clearing tips. How to organize your kitchen cabinets. How to organize your bathroom. Learning effective time management techniques has never been easier with this great book. And who knows, it might even be fun too. So, what are you waiting for? Now is the time to begin regaining control of your life and staying on top. It's that simple. The book is thoughtfully divided into several key sections. Understanding productivity. Turnbridge starts by addressing the foundational aspects of productivity, exploring how mindset, motivation, and psychological factors play crucial roles in our daily efficiency. Effective time management. This section introduces readers to various time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, and the Eisenhower matrix. Each method is accompanied by practical examples and tips for real world application. Organizing your environment. Tunbridge emphasizes the importance of a well organized physical space. She offers strategies for decluttering, setting up efficient workspaces, and creating environments that foster productivity and concentration. Utilizing tools and technology. In this section, the author reviews a variety of digital tools and apps designed to aid in task management, scheduling, and collaboration. She provides balanced insights into the benefits and potential drawbacks of each tool. Establishing routines and habit. Highlighting the power of routine, Tunbridge provides guidance on developing effective morning and evening routines, recognizing that productivity extends beyond mere task completion. Tunbridge discusses mindfulness, stress management, and the importance of maintaining a healthy work life balance. How to Organize Your Life to Maximize Your Day by Judith Tunbridge is an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their organizational skills and boost productivity. Whether you are a busy professional, a student, or someone managing multiple roles, Tunbridge strategies can help streamline your daily activities and make the most out of your time. Despite some minor shortcomings, the book's practical advice and comprehensive approach make it a valuable addition to the self-help and productivity genre. It is particularly beneficial for those new to productivity techniques or looking for a consolidated source of strategies and tips. So, this is all we have about this book. I hope you guys get the right message from it. I'll be back with another book. Till then, just take care. So if you wanted to buy any one of these books that I had reviewed on this channel, and many more other books are also available on incredible prices. So if you wanted to read it or you wanted to gift it to your friends or family, you can buy it easily from this website, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. You can also get more or less on some selected book. So what are you waiting for? Just visit our website right now and buy your favorite books.